Alright, in this video, it's a short one and I'll specifically focus on only one thing. So just to give you some sort of idea what you can do. Okay, so without further ado, this is my Emacs. Say for instance, it's distracting, right? Say I just take away that screen, so it should not be distracting to you. Anyway, the point is that when I'm assuming people use which key, I do use, because I keep forgetting, and which key package is bloody good. It gives you a pop-up and it gives you a reminder, everything. It's a damn good package to have. People should have it. So the glimpse is like that. If you press Meta X or Control X, you'll get the keys and their description, right? It's very useful, very intuitive. Okay, so and if you do say for instance, for some time where not all the keys are showing, but you need to know some other keys, there are several ways to attend it. Either you remember the key, which it is going to nullify it because we don't remember, that's why we are using which key, okay, in first place. All you have to do, whether you press Meta X or Control C, whatever your leading key, to bring up this which key stuff, and you want to know more about that, then all you have to do is just press Control H. See, it show you other commands with the information. Whatever it was enlisted by which key might not give you all the keys and their description. By pressing Control H will enlist you all the key to that specific bind, right? These keys are showing when I'm pressing Control C. Okay, so it will show me the bindings with this key. Okay, if I dismiss this and if I press Control X, it brings up this key. Okay, if I press Control H, see, there are more commands with the explanation, which you can easily filter it out if the keys are not showing in this frame. See, on the bottom of there is a 3-page. You can easily go to the next, Control HN. See, it will provide you an interface where you can easily search the command which are not showing in this particular pop-up window. Am I clear? Let me clear it further. Say there are more keys, right, which at the moment you press Meta X or Control X, okay, or Control C, corresponding to all the keys are showing by this which key pop-up, right? But not all the keys are showing. That's why it is written on the bottom. It was written that there are more sections up there. So if you want to know those hidden keys which are not showing at this moment, all you have to do, just press Control H. It will give you a prompt or enlist all the keys which can be used after pressing Control X prompt. Likewise, you will get all the keys once you press Control C and then press Control H. It will show you all other keys which are useful in that keybind. with a kind of enlisting like that. I hope I'm not making things complicated, right? It is pretty clear, right? We have different keybind. With Control X, we if we press Control X, we access certain sort of keys related to certain sort of function. This is Control X, right? Look at the bottom. It says there are two more window like this which are not showing, right? How do you, it says Control H and then allow paging, it tell you what to do. If you press Control H, see, you just follow what it is telling you to do, right? All the commands total consists of 3. You saw, right? It was 1 page out of 3. There were 2 pages also there. All those commands, once you press Control H, get enlisted like this. So everything come under your fingernail. Okay. Likewise, if you press Control C, see again at the bottom it says 1 of 3 page. Again, if you press Control H, it will show you all the commands which start with Control C. If I do Control H, see, there are so many commands which were not showing in a one single pop-up. So it is an easier way to the mnemonics and key praise are very intuitive. We are looking, this is the help system, right? We are looking for help. That's why we need to press Control H. Simple, right? It is as simple as that. So this is a small way to grasp the thing in easy and efficient manner. Okay, it is not complicated. All you have to do, just once you press the leading key, Control X or Control C, I'm repeating the keys again because these are the very normal common key. There might be other keys also. There might be other definition also. There might be other way you have to say. Maybe in your case you have defined Control N to be a leader key, Control Z to be a leader key, and it's bound to get conflicted with some default one, but you can easily override that if you determine to do something with that specific leader key, like providing Control T or Control K to start with instead of Control X or Control. So you can get all the helps by pressing Control H with that particular key step. It will show you all the keys related to that leading keys. I hope I make it very clear to you, right? So to find out the keys of that particular leading key, to get once you press the leading key, press Control H. It will give you an option to find out the other key which is not showing in an initial pop-up. I hope this will be useful to some people and I made it clear, I believe. Okay, thanks for watching.